Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how to turn GradeTransferer's auto detect platform feature on and off and go over some of the scenarios in which you might want to do so. So the first thing that you need to know is that if you are on one of our supported platforms for grabbing or filling, GradeTransferer will automatically detect the platform that you're on and should be able to work accordingly. And that is why we have auto detect platform turned on by default for all of our users. Now, if you are on one of our supported platforms and for some reason you are getting an error message saying that the platform is not supported or that the platform cannot be detected, it might be that your district has a very specific setup that we are just not recognizing immediately. So in that case, you might want to turn off auto detect platform. So let's look at where to do that. Go to GradeTransferer and click on the hamburger button and then navigate to advanced settings. In advanced settings, go to the custom overrides tab and open up platform specific settings. At the top, you will see auto detect platform. As I mentioned, this is on by default, but you could choose to turn it off. And in this area, you want to save any settings that you change. So with the setting turned off, let's see what it looks like to use GradeTransfer. I'm going to be modeling in the formative gradebook, but this will work for any of our supported grabbing or filling platforms, as I mentioned. So when you go into GradeTransfer, instead of the big green grab data or fill data button that you might be used to, you will instead see select platform. When you click on this, it will bring up a menu of different gradebooks that you can choose for your grabbing or filling. In this case, I'm using formative, so that would be the one I'm going to click on. From there, you will go through your regular grabbing and filling process, depending on which gradebook you are. In my case, my student names and grades from formative grabbed, and now I can take them over to my filling platform. And if I want auto detect to turn back on, I can turn it on, or if I want to manually select my filling platform, I can go through the same process on that menu as well. And it's important to note that this is just a temporary solution if you are running into auto detect issues. So if your gradebook is not being automatically detected by the GradeTransfer service, please write in and let us know via a support ticket so that we can investigate and put in a solution so that your gradebook will be automatically detected in the future. And in the meantime, this gives you a workaround to continue using the service. Okay, that is all for now. Happy transferring.